Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and post a story from your PC or laptop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, simply go ahead and access your particular Instagram on your laptop, and then afterwards go ahead, right click on the blank space of your Insta. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, tap on this inspect option over here and tap on this little phone icon beside, and now this kind of interface gonna appear, right? Go ahead, tap on this dimensions responsive and simply choose simply a mobile option, device option. Now here in the section you can find use and tap on this plus icon given below, right corner below, and tap on this select from computer, and now you can go ahead, choose any picture for yourself, tap on this open now, and now you will be able to tap on this next and simply upload it right there in your Instagram like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.